Welcome back to the little black shade tree. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install an observation window in your beehive. My girls absolutely love watching all the little bees in them. So the first thing you want to do is mark on your hive where you're going to cut out your window. And that's what I'm doing here. This is an older hive, so it's already been painted. But once I get this hole cut out, I'm going to give it a new fresh coat of beautiful paint. I'm going to cut this hole using my favorite tool, my jigsaw. I'm going to do what's called a plunge cut. It's where you cut directly down into the wood, and that way I can put a nice clean cut into it without ruining the door. I want to keep this center piece of wood in good shape because I need to use it as a door on the hive. So I'm using this plunge cut to make the hole, and then I'm sawing through the rest of the line. So I'm going to do a plunge cut on each line, and then I'm going to drill straight through to finish off all the lines. Once you have your holes cut, put it on a rod so you can paint it. These ones really need to be painted. Oh my goodness, look at that mold. So this makes it easy for us to paint the hives without sitting it down on the dirty ground and not needing to wait for dry times. We just painted and rotated, painted and rotated. So this is my favorite part. Oh my goodness, I love the windows and the plexiglass. I get this from Ace Hardware. You want to make the marks on the sizing for your windows, and then take a utility knife or box cutter and score where you want the cut to be, and then lay it over a edge and press down and snap it. Then I placed it into my hive box window and made marks with my Sharpie where I was going to drill pilot holes for the screws. I learned to put in quite a few screws because in the summertime the heat can sometimes warp the plexiglass a little bit and make it bubble so that the bees can fly right out in your face when you open your window. So I try to avoid that by putting in a few extra screws. I went ahead and drilled in my pilot holes for the right size of my screw. Make sure to take off the protective film off your window. Oh my goodness, it looks so beautiful and clear. This is one of my favorite parts. Try not to get your finger smudges all over the inside of the window because once you get it into the hive, you can't exactly go in with some Windex and clean around the bees. Once you have your pilot holes drilled, go ahead and place it back into the box and drill it in with your screws. Next, we need to make sure that the door is going to open and close easily. Now, the inside edge of the bottom usually snags a bit, I found. So I go ahead and use my jigsaw to carve that edge out and make it turn out a little bit easier. There we go, I made sure that it works. Now I'm making my mark for a pilot hole. This is going to be for my little knob. Here I'm screwing in the bolt, and now I'm going to screw on the knob. Remember, doors are really important for these observation windows, otherwise the heat and the cold will go through that plexiglass and freeze or burn out those bees. If you can find some hinges that are exterior, then kudos to you. I can never find any, oh my goodness. But they still seem to work just fine. Make sure that when you drill them in, that the door is pressed as far up as that you can. You want a gap at the bottom so that the door can swing out. Go ahead and screw those hinges on, and presto, you have a working observation hive with a door. Oh, I love them so much. You won't regret it. You've got to put these in your hives. Your kids will love them. The neighborhood will love them. They are such a teaching tool, and it's absolutely fascinating to watch them. So please give this a try. It is so much fun. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got so much more fun stuff to do. And I will see you in the next video.